Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, hi there, my name is Prakriti. You see the red subscribe button? That's really very beautiful, so just click it. So as you guys can see that there is so much makeup on my face and it's time to get rid of all of this. Today I'm going to show you how to remove your makeup and take care of your post makeup skin, if that is a thing. But you guys understand what I'm trying to say, and I'm going to show you how to do that in just 5 steps, like just 5. Now if you're someone like me and you wear makeup daily, then girl, you need to take care of your skin. It's really very important, and you need to remove your makeup properly. Now without further chatting, I am going to show you how to get your real and alluring skin back in just 5 simple steps. So now let's head on to the video. Now obviously before starting, I am going to get rid of my hair and I'm going to remove my earrings because they are going to come in our way. So let's tie the hair first. Alright, now we are ready for the cleanup. Now I am going to remove my lashes first and then we will move to step 1. So just keeping them somewhere. In fact, do not keep them somewhere because I have lost like many pairs of lashes by just keeping them somewhere. So just remember the somewhere where you keep your lashes. Instead, keep them in the boxes. So that's what I'm going to do now. For the first step, I am going to take the Garnier Micellar Oil Infused Cleansing Water. This is my favorite drugstore cleanser. And also I'm going to take some cotton pads. So now I'm just going to soak the cotton pads in the micellar water. But before using, you have to shake this because you know the oil separates. I am just going to remove my eye and lip makeup. So I'm just taking the soaked cotton pad, I'm just keeping it on my eye and letting it sit over there for like 30 or 45 seconds, just because I want to dissolve the product and then it will be easier to get it off. Now once it will be done, I will be just like swoosh and the makeup will be gone. I hope. Most of the times it does not happen, but I hope that it happens this time. So yes, most of it is gone, and now I am just going to massage a little bit, very gently. Once this eye is clean, I know it looks gross, but I am going to take the clean side and I am going to wipe off the makeup of this eye. So doing the same on this side too. Alright, so once that is done, I am just going to separate this cotton pad and I am just going to get rid of the lipstick now. Now be very gentle with your lips too guys, because you know these are your lips, you should love them, and obviously you should not eat the cotton pads like I am doing right now while speaking. Now for the next step, I am going to clean my face makeup, and for that I'm taking another cotton pad and I am soaking it again in the micellar water. You need to be very gentle with your skin guys, because obviously you do not want fine lines and wrinkles, so just be very gentle. Just pull your hair back and get rid of all that makeup in your hairline. Now for the next step, I am going to use the Clinique Cleansing Kit. This is the number 2 kit, as you can see, and this is for dry combination skin. I guess they have numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 for different skin types. So the third step is to cleanse, and for that I am using the Clinique Liquid Facial Soap Mild. Now this really cleanses your skin so nicely, like your skin looks so bright. You guys will see the result once I wash this off. I'm just going to wash it off and then I'll be back. That just felt so good, and now as you can see my skin is more bright and it looks more glowy and it looks more fresh. This is the Clinique Clarifying Lotion. This is basically a toner. Now I am going to take a cotton pad again, and I am just going to soak this cotton pad in this toner. And now I'm just going to dab it on my face just like this. I am not going to take this around my eye area because it's written in the instructions and I don't feel good taking this around my eye area. Once the toner is done, I am going to wait for like 4 to 5 minutes and let the toner sit into my face. Alright, so moving on to the final step, I am going to moisturize, and for that I am going to take the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. Alright, so that's bye bye makeup and hello natural skin, and that's my natural skin after like cleansing and a little bit skincare. Those were the 5 simple steps that I follow, guys, in order to remove my makeup. That's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video.